Welcome to this video on the difference between narrow AI and the theoretical future of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. We will demystify the line separating these two concepts. Intelligence exists on a spectrum, from specialized to generalized. While 88% of firms currently use narrow AI, the true horizon is the development of adaptable, human-like AGI. Machine learning relies on mathematical pattern recognition rather than human-like comprehension. Algorithms derive equations from massive datasets to make statistical predictions. Narrow AI operates in silos. A system optimized for traffic flow cannot analyze a medical scan. Its expertise is non-transferable across different domains. Generative AI creates an illusion of intelligence through scale. However, it is fundamentally executing a narrow task, predicting the next element in a sequence. True AGI requires seamless generalization. It must be able to reason under uncertainty, plan strategically, and learn autonomously across diverse and novel environments. The cognitive leap from pattern recognition to abstract reasoning remains an unsolved challenge. Computers currently lack the depth to form new concepts without explicit training. True intelligence is defined by the ability to transfer concepts across domains. Current systems cannot apply strategy to a new field without being rebuilt. This matrix highlights the differences. Narrow AI focuses on single tasks with fixed neural networks, while AGI aims for universal cognitive capability. Experts are divided on when or if AGI will arrive. Predictions range from a few years away to never, citing the complexity of biological cognition. As autonomy scales, responsible deployment requires rigid ethical frameworks, including non-maleficence, explainability, and continued vigilance to protect human standards. The near future involves agentic orchestration, connecting multiple narrow AI tools to achieve complex goals through hyper-coordinated specialization. Waiting for AGI is a distraction. Mastering narrow AI is a practical imperative, viewing AI as an augmentation tool for existing workflows. To move forward, we must leverage today's tools, build for agentic workflows, and monitor progress without letting theoretical future developments stall innovation.